this is Coopercraft 1050. Welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video. So yeah, let's get started. I have my pickaxe, so you can probably guess that we were going mining. It's also St. Patrick's Day. This is our St. Patrick's Day special. Better run. So, what the? Did I not? Yay! Got some ore. God, this is a crazy mine. So, here, it's kind of dark down here. There we go. So, here we go. Let's see if we. What? Oh my god. Yay! Found a diamond. Yep, it's a true diamond. Okay, let's go. What? Oh my, holy. How the... I died. I died. How someone planted that there? Who could have done that? I think I know who. Reed said he was playing on this world. He could have. I think he pranked me for St. Patrick's Day. Yikes! Yes. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was pretty sad. I'm gonna get him back sometime. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. That will be fun. I'm gonna get him back, okay? So I'm gonna take this time. This is the finished cake party room. Yeah. Finished it before the last episode, but just hope you would see it. We will definitely use this in more episodes. And I'm gonna start a fun thing. If you have a cool idea of something you want me to build, then just post it in the comments, and I will definitely try to respond. No, yeah, it's gonna be kind of fun. But yeah, I thought that would be cool to do. Anyway, that brings us to the end of today's episode. As Reed mentioned in his Terraria video, our first few videos are going to be kind of short because we just recently started this channel. But please to help us, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye.